Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Reddit login problems, account access errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are typing the correct username and password and check that caps lock is off. Next, try logging in from an incognito or private browser window to avoid saved session issues. Then, clear your browser cache and cookies for Reddit and restart the browser completely. After that, disable browser extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, or VPN add-ons and try again. Now, switch to a different browser or update your current browser to the latest version. If you are using the Reddit app, update the app from the App Store or Google Play. Then, force close the app and reopen it to refresh the login process. Next, restart your phone or computer to clear temporary network and system glitches. Now, check your internet connection by opening other secure websites and confirm it is stable. If you are on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or another network to rule out network restrictions. Then, turn off any VPN or proxy and try logging in again, because Reddit may block some routes. Next, check Reddit status pages or recent reports to see if there is an ongoing outage. If the login page shows an error, wait a few minutes and try again to avoid rate limits. Now, use the Forgot Password option and reset your password using your email. Then, create a strong new password and avoid reusing passwords from other platforms. Next, confirm you can access the email inbox linked to your Reddit account. If you do not receive the reset email, check spam, promotions, and any email filtering rules. Now, search your inbox for messages from Reddit and verify you are using the correct email address. Then, complete any required CAPTCHA carefully, because failed CAPTCHA can block sign-in attempts. Next, make sure your device date and time are set automatically, since wrong time can break security checks. If you see invalid session or similar, log out everywhere if possible and log in fresh. Now, remove and reinstall the Reddit app if the app keeps looping or crashing on login. Then, try logging in on the web at Reddit.com to confirm whether the issue is app-specific. If you are using two-factor authentication, ensure your authenticator code is current and correct. If you lost 2FA access, use your backup codes or start the account recovery process. Next, verify your account is not locked by checking for Reddit security emails or notifications. If Reddit suspects suspicious activity, follow the security prompts and change your password immediately. Finally, contact Reddit support with screenshots of the exact error message and the time it happens. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.